The INEOS Grenadier is one of the most capable 4x4s there, but there's a few things it's not get right, like the visibility, convenience, and urban usability. So today we are all getting them down. Same trouble when you go off-road or overlanding, there's always getting something hitting your mirror because it's so big. We get a solution for mirror kits. When you press the OK button for 3 seconds, the mirror will be floatable when you go off-road, so that will protect your mirrors. If you're living in Australia or always on the wildlife, you will find there's a lot of animals or kangaroos will hitting your bumper. So the brush bar is very necessary, especially we are building the new fender brush bars. The brush bar will get help for the front bumper, make that stronger, and you will protect your fingers at all. Another big limitation is visibility. We know the car is built like a tank, so that also means it's coming with a lot of blind spots. So we're adding a full 360 camera system, giving you a complete awareness, especially off-road or in tight urban space. For me, there's a lot of challenge for this car when I'm driving on my daily life, because without the sunshade, it's very difficult for me because the sunshine and the raining and the dust, it gave me a lot of troubles. So we designed the window reflector for this car, 4-piece as one set, to protect you the daily driving and also go off-road to avoid the dust. Can you find what's different of my car and your cars? Yes, that's right. It's empty here because I removed the rear view mirror because we are going to developing the digital rear view mirror. When you load gear or go off-road, rear visibility is almost become zero. So the digital rear view mirror is very necessary for this car. We are working on the solution for the INEOS Grenadier about the rear view mirror, so it will coming to see high for you guys as soon as possible. With this digital rear view mirror, it will get you a clear vision no matter what's behind you. We are working on the project of all the INEOS Grenadier accessories and useful parts in the past 2 years, and we will keep on working it. If you have interest to be our distributor in your market, call me. So thank you so much for you watching till now for our YouTube channel today. Don't walk away. We will bring you the new products in the next video. See you then. Bye.